Good afternoon, guys. Now, I'm going to make another video recording. This is about shifting of weights from hold number 7 to hold number 1. The ship is position is trimmed by the stern. So, meaning he is trimmed by the stern. We want to make it even keel. So we have to shift cargo from hold number 7 to hold number 1 so that when we load in hold number 1 she will be even keel. So let's start with the program, guys. And condition, yes, finding amount of weight to shift to obtain desired draft from given initial draft. So this is the formula: weight equals change of trim times MTC times 100 over distance it moved. So what would be the distance from hold number 7 to hold number 1? Okay, and the weight, we're going to take some weight here and shift it to hold number 1 so that when we put the cargo here in hold number 1, she will be even keel. She will have zero trim. Okay, and let's read the problem, guys. When making a loading plan for MV Max Panama, you obtain a draft forward of 19.93 and updraft of 13.29. So you have more draft in your aft, meaning he is trimmed by the stern. So since we are trimmed by the stern, we are to take some cargo in hold number 7 and put it in hold number 1 so that we will have an even keel, no trim. So we take some cargo in hold number 7 and put it in hold number 1 so that we will have even keel, no trim. Okay, to make your plan even keel, how much cargo are you going to ship from hold number 7 to number 1? So he's asking how much cargo shall we take out from hold number 7 to ship it to hold number 1 so that the vessel will be even keel. So that's the question. Okay, find the main draft. Okay, find the main draft. The main draft formula is forward draft plus updraft divided by 2 is your main draft. So your forward draft is 12.93 and your updraft is 13.29. You add these two and divide it by 2, you will have 13.11 and the trim is 0.36. So let's investigate, guys. Let's investigate, guys. So what was the trim in forward? 12.93. Put here 12.93. 12.93 and up will be how much? 13.29. 13.29. 13.29 and the main drop will be 13.11. Yes, 13.11 and your trim will be 0.36. 0.36 and 13.11. Okay, and the next, take from the hydrostatic tables, take the MTC and LCF. Guys, we will check the LCF, guys. So we'll take the drop of 13.11. We go to the program, check this one. Then we can go down, or we go to the hydrostatic 11. Look at the draft guy, main draft 1311. We go to the hydrostatic table, and we go for the drop of 1311. Here guys, 1311. So we are concerned with the LCF and MTC. What is MTC? 979.97. 979.97. Just rounded up here. Should be 979.9. That is 980. That is 980. Okay, so run it up to 980, and LCF is 0.20. LCF is 0. Okay, so okay, we got it right. Then number 3, find the distance traveled by the shifted weight. This is the distance of G bit of between two holes. Okay, so the distance between two holes, this would be the one, guys. From the center of hole number 1 to the center of hole number 7. This is your total distance. So from the center of hole number 7 going to the center of hole number 1, that will be your distance. Okay, so you just get the LCG of hole number 1, and the hole number 7 is 66.32. It is positive because from the center of flotation, on the up part is always positive, and from the center of flotation, from the forward part, it's always negative. Okay, that's why in hole number 1 that you have a negative sign of 86.98, and hole number 7 is 66.32. Don't get mixed up with this negative sign. This negative sign only indicates that hole number 1 is the forward part of the vessel. From the center of flotation, hole number 1 is forward part of the vessel. That's why it's minus. So don't get intimidated with this negative sign. So you add this all together, that will be 153.3. Okay, that will be your distance. Then find the change of trim. Because you have a trim 38 or 36, I'm sorry. You have a trim of 36. Okay, now you're going to ship your trim by the head. You're going to ship some cargo to hole number 1 so that you will have even keel. Okay, no lease, no trim. So from the trim of 36 centimeters to be even keel, so you have a change of trim about 36 centimeters. Forget about the sign, it's only this one. You have only 36 centimeters to change of trim. Okay, now the formula to find the weight to shift. Okay, so this is the formula on how to find the weight. Weight equals change of trim times MTC times 100 over the distance. The weight is, change of trim is 36, which is this one, and the MTC is 980.0, which is this one, times 100 over your distance of 153. Okay, and the result of your weight will be 230.1 metric tons. That's the answer. 230.1 metric tons of cargo is to be shifted from hold number 7 to hold number 1. So 230. So you take out 230 metric tons here in hold number 7. You ship it to hold number 1. You put this 230 metric tons here in number 1. Once you already loaded it to number 1, then you will have an even kill. Okay? So I have here another the original formula. You have your change of length of 36 centimeters. Your distance is 153.3 and your MTC is 980. The original formula is how change of trim equals weight times distance over MTC times 100. Now we transpose this formula because we are only interested in how much weight are we going to load in number 1. So cross multiply. So change of trim times MTC times 100. So this will be change of trim times MTC times 100 times equals weight times distance. Now you're looking for the distance, you put the distance down. So change of trim times MTC times 100 over the distance. So what is your change of trim? Is 36. Your MTC is 980 times 100, the constant, over distance. What is your distance? Is 153 over 153.3. So, and the answer would be 230.1. Okay, that will be the same with this one, 130.3. Okay, so this is just a simple problem, and you will only just to visualize how much weight and where are we going to ship the cargo from hold number 7 to hold number 1. Okay, so this is just a simple presentation, guys, of shifting of cargo. If you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.